Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I am Chef Suraj. Today I am going to show how to make granola bar. For making granola bar, we need butter, honey, liquid glucose, roasted almond flakes, roasted coconut powder, sugar. For making granola bar, we add butter in pan, honey, liquid glucose, and sugar, and cook and mix it well. We mix all the ingredients. We have to mix well and cook together. After boil, add almond flakes, roasted coconut powder, roasted oats and mix together. We need to mix well like this consistency. After mixing, remove this mixture from the pan and spread at the seal pad. And make layer. Actually, granola bar very tasty and healthy product. If you eat with milk, you feel the real taste of granola bar. After making flat, we need to bake 180 centigrade for 10 to 12 minutes only. After bake, our granola bar is ready. Now we need to cut our required size. Whatever size we want, we can cut. Now I am cutting here like this size. Now our healthy and tasty granola bar is ready to eat.